You thought your phone was safe just because it fits in your pocket? Think again. That tiny device you carry everywhere is a goldmine for cybercriminals, and it's under constant attack. Imagine waking up one morning, grabbing your smartphone to check the weather, and discovering that your bank account has been drained. Or worse, your private photos are now everyone's business. Feels like a nightmare, right? But guess what? This isn't some sci-fi plot, it's reality. The threats are real and they're coming for your phone. Ready to learn how to protect yourself? Stick around because this could be the most important thing you do for your digital life today. Mobile security is no longer just about keeping your phone locked with a passcode. We're talking about defending against a full-blown digital invasion. Your phone isn't just a communication device. It's your wallet, your diary, your photo album, and so much more. This makes it an irresistible target for cybercriminals. So, how do you keep the bad guys out? Let's dive into the best practices for avoidance, protection, and recovery from the dark forces lurking on the internet. The first line of defense, locking down your device. Before we get into avoiding and blocking threats, let's start with the basics. The first line of defense is making sure no one can physically access your device. A strong PIN, password, or biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, is crucial. This simple step ensures that even if someone gets their hands on your phone, they won't easily get past the lock screen. Think of it as the digital equivalent of locking your front door. No amount of fancy security measures matter if you leave the door wide open. Avoidance, dodging the digital landmines. Once your device is securely locked, avoiding threats becomes the next priority. Understanding where the threats come from is key. Malicious apps, phishing links, and unsecured Wi-Fi networks are the usual suspects. Here's how to stay one step ahead. Download wisely. Stick to official app stores like Google Play and Apple's App Store. Avoid third-party app stores like the plague. They're often riddled with malicious software disguised as harmless apps. Be wary of links. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Don't click on suspicious links, especially in emails or text messages. Phishing attacks are a popular way for hackers to sneak malware onto your device. Update, update, update. Yes, those annoying update notifications are actually important. Regular updates patch security vulnerabilities that cybercriminals love to exploit. So hit that update button and thank yourself later. Protection, shielding your digital life. Even with the best avoidance tactics, some threats might still slip through. That's where protection comes in. Here's how to armor up your mobile device. Install security software. Just like your computer, your phone needs antivirus protection. There are plenty of mobile security apps out there that can help detect and block malware. Avast just happens to be the one that I use. Choose one from a reputable company and keep it updated. Use strong passwords. Passwords are your first line of defense beyond your lock screen. Ditch the easy-to-guess passwords like 123456 and use a strong, unique password for each account. Better yet, use a password manager to keep track of them. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security by enabling 2FA on all your accounts. This means even if someone gets hold of your password, they'll need a second form of identification to access your account. Encrypt your data. Most smartphones come with built-in encryption features. Make sure this is enabled so that even if your phone is stolen, your data remains secure. Recovery. What to do when things go south. So, what if the unthinkable happens and your phone is compromised? Don't panic. Here's how to bounce back. Factory reset. If malware has taken over, a factory reset might be your best option. This wipes your phone clean, so make sure you have backups of your important data. Restore from backup. Once you've wiped your phone, restore your data from a clean backup. This ensures that any malware doesn't hitch a ride back onto your device. Change your passwords. If you suspect your phone has been compromised, change the passwords to all your accounts immediately. This helps prevent hackers from causing more damage. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on your bank accounts, email, and other sensitive accounts for any suspicious activity. The sooner you catch it, the less damage will be done. Remember, your smartphone is more than just a gadget. It's the key to your digital world. Stay safe, stay secure, and protect your phone like your life depends on it. Because in today's connected world, it just might. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.